Hey everybody, this is Dusty, Nervous Specialist. So I'm doing a quick walk around on this unit that we're replacing that front lower metal and securing it. Something I noticed, and I don't know how it happened, was I was just walking by and I seen actually the sheet metal is cracking right here on the coach. You see that? But look what's loose, right? So I think I just figured out why it's cracking. There was no brackets that was put in to protect it. So look at how bad that's moving, and it caused that J metal to crack right there. You can see that flexing point. So imagine when you're going down the road in the wind, you know, we're always catching this and seeing where they didn't put some kind of support to keep this. So I'm just tapping it. Look how bad that's moving with me just barely tapping it. So imagine you going down the wind, you know, going down the road at like 65 miles an hour, and this thing is just shaking like crazy. So make sure that you're checking your J skirt on the bottom of your RVs. We do this all the time when we're walking around, we're tapping on them. They don't know if that's a crack too, but same thing. You know, this guy is all wiggly wobbly loose. Same thing with your fender skirts and the backs. Keep an eye on all the sides. It's okay to add additional bracing as needed. A lot of times those don't get properly secured, and if it doesn't, it's gonna cause you damage. So stay tuned for more, and thanks so much for watching. Hope this information helps you.